Hello, Namaste and Tashidalek, and welcome back to my channel Dorda Jason Brock. And guys, so I'm sure you already know that what I'm going to show you in video, yeah, because you already read the title name. And then guys, so today I'm going to show you Tibetan traditional food, yeah, T-MoMo, sorry, not a Momo, it is T-MoMo, so we call it T-MoMo. And then when I post some pic in my Facebook, and then some my Dharma friends, they want to see the video, so this video is specially to you all, and so keep it up and enjoy to watch this video. I share specially to you all. And then so if you like the video, so please don't forget to write the comments, yeah, so I can see how you enjoy my YouTube, yeah. Okay, and then let's go. And then I already asked to our cook, yeah, chef Siringla, and he said okay, sure, I can take a video. So okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, enjoy, see you there. Okay guys, so just now I arrived at our kitchen, monastery kitchen, and then this is our kitchen, and then I will show you this is our cook. Sitting, just tell it. Oh, just tell it. Any helper? Ganga, right now, Ganga, yeah. No helper, amro. Okay, so now cook sitting. He's making. He will show you how to make the kimbap. And so guys, hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, let's see. Book how to we do this, and then please you listen, and then I will ask him first. I show you some videos there, so starting the maida the tanda the dida chachidra mambora. So this is for our monastery. I हाम्रो लामाहरु धेरै छ मान्छे हैन, त्यसको लागि अलि धेरै बनाउँछ. We make so many, and then if you in your home, so you can like less than this, and then flour maida अनि त्यसपछि baking powder, everything. And then now the bread यो अहिले रोटी छ नि, अहिले त्यो हामी त्यो गरेर सबै अहिले अब 2 घण्टा राख्नुपर्छ है. Only 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours we need to keep, and then after 2 hours then we make the T-MoMo, yeah, so it's T-MoMo. अनि के रे पहिले सुरुमा के रे मैदा हैन, baking powder हैन. Maida it's Nepali, yeah? So we call this is flour. Yeah? You know that when you make the bread, so there's flour, and then baking powder, and this is nun ra chini
nun ra chini thore hai, just salt and then sugar little bit, yeah, just for taste, just for again, just for taste, and then we put water and not very cold water, ekdam chiso pani rahunदैन है, not very cold because that we need अलिक गिलो चाहिन्छ नि हैन, त्यही भएर अनि त्यही हो। अब त्यो सबै देखाइसक्यो अब हैन, अब हामी जस अहिले 2 घण्टापछि हामी बनाउँछ अनि then at that time अनि I will show you everything and then how to make and then the design of the T-MoMo. So guys, hope you like it and then I will show you after 2 minutes. See you in after 2 hours. Okay.
2 hours later. Our cook sitting, he's ready to making T-MoMo. It's now already 2 hours, and then our helper Ganga Dai cutting the potato, making a curry. Okay guys, so just now I show you the T-MoMo, and then this is the design, few designs he showed, and so I just teach you there. So hope you enjoy to watch this video. And then still he's making too many T-MoMo because we have a lot of months there, that's why. So he's still making. Family is only we make few, yeah, only. So here he need to make so many. I think he make what the piece बनाउँछ? 300 हो? 300 piece he need to make. Okay guys, so now it's ready. Our cook he already made the timok, and then actually it's the time or how much we stream this timok. It's same like I'm sure you guys know that how to make a momo. Yeah, so it's same like the time. Yeah, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30. You just check. Yeah, and then after it's fresh. So see you after few minutes, and then I will show you how timok tastes. So now the timok and the vegetable and everything is ready. So I'm going to having. So this is timok, and so I will test. Yeah. Wow, it's really super. And okay guys, so and that's all for today and the video. Thank you so much guys, who watched this video. And then guys, so if you want to see more videos, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and so you can see more video. And today I'm going to share that is make timok, how to make. And then so this is for our monastery, and then in your home you can make only few. Yeah, so today in monastery our cook Siringla is make so many timok. I think 300 timok like this. So guys, okay, that's all. No mini drop, and so stay safe and pray for the world, and miss you and love you, and Jai Buddha.